Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak with a few pointers on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is bookkeeping not worth doing. And let's dive right in. So this is a tax program. So we're focused on bookkeeping for tax. Let me preface by saying there are a whole lot of great reasons to do bookkeeping, and we're not touching on any of them. When you're managing a business and you're perhaps looking at profitability per job or profitability per sales manager or team or whatever, there can be an enormous number of reasons to keep books. Tonight, right here, we're only talking about tax. So bookkeeping can be, for a small business owner, an enormously tedious, time-consuming, expensive, and not fun part of running the business. So my point is, don't do any more than you have to. If you don't have a reason to do a specific type of bookkeeping, then don't do it. I run across sometimes people, matter of fact, a group of accountants that were discussing that QuickBooks makes you do it this way. No, it doesn't. QuickBooks is about the most customizable program out there on the market. You can do whatever you want with it. If you're saying that it's your bookkeeper or your accountant is making you do something, it's because you simply don't understand fully the options that are available to you. So I would suggest, if we're doing bookkeeping for tax purposes only, and many of my small business clients are in that category, let's look at what bookkeeping we need to do to sufficiently abide by the tax law and not do more than that. Let me just throw out an example to wrap it up. Suppose you do all of your sales through credit card and all of the money comes in through a application, a payment application. So we know exactly what the sales are, and we don't need to keep track of customers. So we don't even need to do any bookkeeping for the income side. All we do is take that year-end statement from the credit card company, and we have sales already done. We didn't have to lift a finger. Expenses, our IRS says we're supposed to categorize them. We don't need to break them down by job or by site or even by vendor. We can combine those transactions, particularly, again, if they're running through a bank account, and we can simply say that every time it says hardware, it's a repair expense. And every time it says gasoline, it's a travel expense. If we've used a separate business card from the personal. So we can categorize that way and really cut down using computerization, AI assisted or old-fashioned spreadsheet type work, and really cut down on the amount of bookkeeping that's required. If you have any thoughts on this topic, I know there are a lot of great bookkeepers out there that do. Please chime in on social media, or if you have questions and want to reach me one-on-one, that's easy to do on the website, taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.